What's going on, guys? Welcome to the first video of my channel. First off, let me introduce myself. My name is Elias. I live in San Diego, and today it's Friday, and I think we're gonna go for a little adventure. I'm waiting for my cousin to get to my house right now, and we're gonna go up to B Canyon and just do some exploring and maybe find a campsite and, you know, do a little overnighter, sleep under the stars and trees, make a little dinner, and yeah, just see what's up. Damn, this fool. Yeah, guy. What up, dude? Oh yeah, you ready for this? Sick, dude. Oh yeah, that thing's sitting tall over there.
Yeah, I need tires.
I need new tires too. My tires are freaking getting a little low.
Dude, mine hit this lip right here and have big chunks sticking out.
Oh, gnarly. Alright guys, we're on the road now. We're heading out. We got about 2 hours and 24 minutes from 96 miles. There's probably gonna be a bunch of traffic going up the 15 through Temecula, like always. But yeah, so I guess we'll just see you at the trailhead. I'm rolling with my pup, Kita. You'll see her a lot. She usually comes with me on all my adventures and stuff. I'm gonna air it down when we get there and kind of go over like a little plan. It's an easy trail, and yeah, pretty much. See you guys soon. Stuck in traffic, per usual. Hey, hope you can see me a little bit. It's kind of dark in here, but we just got to the staging point where we're gonna air down and basically get ready to head up the mountain. Come out here. I'm gonna let my dog out real quick and get my stuff together. Where you going, huh? You. This guy right here. Game changer. You just kind of use this guy real quick to screw it on.
Yeah.
Okay. And then this guy, you pretty much kind of feel it. You'll feel like notch right there.
Yeah.
So you can bring it in. You know, notch, and then you kind of just take it out, and that's pulling out your valve stem.
Yeah.
Oh, then you put this guy back in, and then you pretty much just tighten it up, but don't over tighten it because you could strip out your valve stem core, just like that. And then basically take it off. And when your hands are holding it, it's just like slippery. Boom. There you go. You. While I wait, All right, we are heading out now, all filled up and everything. So here we go. I wish there was more light in here, but whatever. So the beginning of this trail is pretty chill. It's pretty much a fire road with some ruts and stuff like that. It's not super gnarly. Definitely some offshoots to hit and everything like that. Guys come up here to shoot and stuff, so there's like a little shooting range and everything. But yeah, so I want to just try to fill you guys in as we go. It's kind of dark, so hopefully you guys can see what's going on. All right, coming up on our first little offshoot right here. This little rutted out section, little hill climb. Obviously cameras never do it justice, but it's pretty fun looking.
Like shooting a spaceship. You're good. Just turn it hard. You're good. You're just gonna miss it. Yoo-hoo!
Yeah, turn hard, you'll clear it. Yeah, like passenger, yeah, you're good. Yeah. Yeah.
Baby steps.
Yeah.
Big eater.
Alright. Well, we got skunked. They closed down BK Truck Trail because I guess of snow and stuff. Should have known that, but that sucks. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna drive another 89 miles to basically, where are we going? Indio?
We're gonna go do Berdoo Trail.
You're gonna go do Berdoo Trail and hopefully not get skunked there either.
Not going home. Not going home.
Nope, we're getting some dirt tonight.
Sensors. Fill it up.
All right, take two. Airing down.
Let's try this again.
Right now, what road are we off of right now?
Dillon Road, and this is the entrance to Berdoo.
So this is the entrance to Berdoo Trail. My first time here.
My first time here.
Oh shit, our first time here. And we're hitting it at night, so let's see what happens. We're probably gonna stop off somewhere down the trail some way and just kind of like set up camp for the night, not go down too far. But yeah, so we're gonna go down these tires and get back on the trail.
God, that must be fun as shit coming here and just pull over.
Yeah, I'm like on a little paved road right now too. Like this road like is all fucked up and broken.
Hit it. You got it. Go straight. Woo! Tailpipe.
Driver.
Yeah.
Another one, this Berdoo Trail has so many little fun spots to hit. Alright, I'm gonna go behind you real quick. Alright. All right, so this dude right here wants to send his guy up. Oh, that was heavy. That was heavy, bro. Woo! How do you get down? Whoa. You hammered it. So plateaued, there's like nowhere down. Handled it, but that was super fun. So I guess we're gonna go see what else
we can find.
What else we can find, I guess. Yeah, this spot's tough. It's super. I read about this spot, dude. This spot's super soft. I would throw that 4 low, 8-track.
I am gonna do that. I'm gonna send it. Shit.
You're good.
All right, here we go.
Yep. So I'm about to hit that same line that my cousin went up, but here's the onboard footage.
Check out.
What? All right, so now I think we're done hitting obstacles for the night. I think we're gonna find a spot to post up for camp, make some food. It's like 9:44, so I need to eat something. Dark as hell out here, but we're gonna start setting up camp. We already got the
Lumber.
came up on this guy right here. We got the wood coming out, and yeah, it's time to set it up.
Government is trapping the system. Government is trapping the system.